Wala. Long conversation.
Kala ko
Grabe. Mga 1 hour, diba? Nandun ako dun sa confession.
Tinawag kita sa akala ko, bre. Tapos pagtingin ko, wala ka dun.
Workout ka.
Confession. Mga 1 hour. Dami.
Hindi ka nakapag-workout?
Hindi. No. I started. Pinapasok sa confession. Wala lang. Talagang hindi para sa akin to workout. No more.
Wala na.
Maging payat talaga ako. Ayoko.
Tingin payat ka na.
Sobra.
Buti nga ikaw payat, ako taba, no?
Ayoko maging payat.
Hindi ka naman taba, malaman ka lang.
Pangit, sobrang pangit.
hindi ko
Pwede mo na, dito?
Ano lang. Ano lang. Hindi chubby. Parang soft lang. Hindi
That
kayo
means,
toned. Gano'n.
yung
Hindi
shirt.
matigas.
Kasha sa akin.
Pero hindi ka mataba.
Kahit sa laundry, kasha sa akin.
Ano? Ah!
Ikaw, ah.
Baho yung shoes.
You put fire there.
Yung shoes ang mabaho.
Yung sa mga tao sinasabi na, tabako na, pero hindi naman.
Grabe, it's so good to,
Hindi ka
hear
mataba.
yung sinabi ni
Ay, mga tao
Juliana.
na, tabako, gano'n. Pero
Talagang
may iba
matalino,
talagang
you can
tao na,
see it na
mataba sila. Pero
mga
hindi sila
opinions
sa
niya.
mataba.
tips niya.
Pero meron kasi talaga yung mga
I like
tao na,
that.
alam naman nila na
Alam
sila
ko, I will
mataba.
bring it sa labas.
Siguro ang hirap lang na
Kahit
sa panahon na yun,
Malaking
mahirap
tulong sa
ma-distinguish kung sino ba
work mo.
talaga yung
kaya
nagsabi na ang taba ko na alam na
Good to-
talaga na mataba sila or yung ang
Lalo
taba
when
ko
she
na
was
pero
talking
naghahanap
about
lang sila ng
I was like,
hindi ko mataba.
ganun.
Paano
Ang hirap
ako?
na ma-distinguish.
Kaya mo.
Hindi. Never. Wala akong
Or meron lang yung
Bre.
perfectionist.
Vicky,
Onting
If you
ganun
know-
lang. Ang taba ko na.
before,
Ganun.
when I started
Feeling
about
naman talaga
15,
nila
16.
mataba sila pero feeling natin ang ganda
totoo.
lang.
I never
Ako,
wanted
taba
to
ko.
be a model.
Bakit? Talaga?
Never.
Dito. taba ako.
Study the whole day. I would go to 2 schools,
Bakit
study,
2 schools?
Naalala ko talaga nung unang week, yun yung payat ako.
do more.
Kaya taba ko.
Kaya
Nung unang
good
week,
on
kaya ko
math and
mag-crop top
everything
eh.
Kasi talagang,
Favorite mo, math?
Ikaw?
hindi, not
Saan ka
really. I
magaling?
can
Pero magaling ka lang sa math?
chemistry, physics,
Ayoko na.
lahat.
Saya kahit hindi
Naninibago ka.
Doon sa time na yan,
Hindi ko
talagang
mahirap sa'yo.
I
kasi
would
artista ka na
study
talaga. Tapos,
every day, like the
kuwari,
whole
unting
day.
galaw mo naman.
I'll finish it night. I started 6, 7
Eh, yun
a.m.
nga yung inaano ko dito na parang,
Finish mga 10 p.m.
sa akin kasi wala naman, parang,
Yung breaks mo? Lunch?
so, tao naman
Lunch.
ako eh.
Then in
Di
the
ba?
afternoon, I would have 2 hours.
Wala naman
ganun.
din sa trabaho yun.
Study
Parang sinabi
Then
mo
go to
na,
the other school
teacher
at
na
night.
siya eh, or doktor yan,
Just
unting
like an
galaw mo
extra.
lang. Sabihin, di ka
And then,
professional,
I
na
never thought
doktor.
of
Ganun.
being
Parang, kung sa
model,
artista,
diba?
parang artista na yan,
Pero for
unting
me, it
galaw.
would be medicine. Medicine
tao
talaga, which is medicine or biology.
Oo, diba?
And then,
Siguro,
yun,
ano lang talaga, yung
biglang
society
opportunity
ngayon,
pa.
ano,
Oh, you have to leave next
mataas
week.
na yung standard.
Next week agad, ganun.
Kailangan.
It's terrible.
Judgmental
Not
na rin
really
talaga.
next week kasi
Ewan
next
ko ba't
week I
naging
have to go
ganun
to
na,
São
pero
Paulo, so a
ganun
different city,
talaga.
diba?
And
To try to fix mga portfolio,
Tama.
pictorial,
ewan ko.
to
Siguro
start
kahit tayo.
modeling. You
Di ba
need
minsan tayo,
pictures, diba?
si ganito, ganun yung damit. Si
Wala
ganito,
akong ganun
ganyan.
Diba?
Hindi na natin
ako
namamalayan
komportable
na
sa mga
Society
pictures.
na din tayo.
Diba I said I something like
Ganun.
this before? Like,
Nakakalungkot,
Oo,
pero
eh.
ewan ko. Kaya, yun,
oh,
ibulay ko na rin sinasabi.
Ngayon, ano na?
hindi ko,
Ngayon.
Ano na lang,
Eh.
sino ka na lang, okay na.
talagang hindi ako
Wala na.
komportable dati, diba? So,
Wala na.
ginawa ko
Ano
para sa
mangyari?
pamilya ko. So, yun. And then, before, I
At least
didn't
di ka
even have, we
napapago.
didn't even, my mom, my daddy
Di
used
ba
to
parang
borrow
bahala
money
na
from my
kasi
tita, ganun, just
kahit
for
sa
the
school,
portfolio.
ganun, sa ano,
Terrible.
ganun.
So, yun. Kaya, I started. Diba? Never thought of being a model. Ikaw, maging artista ka.
Siguro, ano lang,
Diba?
oo,
Then
mas
I
sana sa
started.
celebrity kasi syempre,
And then from
dahil,
there,
celebrity parang
pumunta
mas
ako sa São
maraming
Paulo.
mata ang
I
nasa
did
iyo, mas maraming
pictorial and
yung
everything.
celebrity siya.
Nung
Tingnan nga
bumalik
natin
ako
kung anong
sa
gagawin niya.
Brasilia, sa city
Kasi
ko,
compare sa hindi
biglang
celebrity.
next
Oo,
week,
kasi
ganun.
sinasabi ko naman talaga
You have
yung
to
totoo
pack and then
na
you have to leave
kung
na.
celebrity ka, mahirapan ka.
Imagine for me
Saan
to
ka
say
pumunta?
goodbye
Saan ka
to
pumunta una?
lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, lahat ng pamilya ko. Walang time. Not even time to
Mas
say
maraming
goodbye.
mata na nasa iyo. So,
Even
kahit
sa
na
parents ko, it was
unting,
terrible.
Saan ka
kahit
pumunta?
wala kang
First,
ginagawa, naggumanon ka lang ng kamay mo. Kasi
Diretso
yung kamay ni
Singapore.
Jane. Parang,
Imagine,
Oh,
you have no
okay.
idea how the
Ganun
world
siguro,
looks
no?
like when you're 15 years old.
Grabe.
Sa labas.
Parang sobrang taas
Imagine,
ng expectation.
16,
Ano,
16
parang
mo.
si Loisa, tapos umalis ka na. Grabe ah.
And work. Kaya when they said
Hindi nila
na,
napapansin na kahit sila, ganun din naman sila.
oo.
nagtagal tayo sila.
Hindi nang mahirap sa generation ngayon.
I can
Dati, chill lang
Whatever,
eh.
YOLO.
swear.
YOLO! This is
Whatever
us.
na yan.
Hashtag, this is us. 1D.
Hey.
What I think
Ano nga, isa lang alam ko.
never pass.
Ano ba ba?
Minong 4.
Kaya
Ako,
sa labas,
paano ako?
stay Maris, stay Loisa, stay Jane.
Paglabas, excited ako sa movie
2
natin.
months, di ba? Sabi mo.
Ako din.
Sobra.
You guys have no idea.
Movie.
Excited
Like,
na ako.
sometimes that was
Si Manolo, chill na yun sa bahay nila.
Hindi nila alam eh.
yeah, nobody knows. I don't have
Ako,
to share. I don't have to share. Pero imagine my
Alam mo
life
yung
that
anong
time
kina-excite ko sa outside?
Ano?
they have opportunity. This is a huge opportunity.
Yun talaga.
To
Wala na akong
start
iniisip na excited ako sa movie.
It's a huge opportunity.
Talaga.
Yes. And
Bueno,
they're against
na ano mo yung parents mo nung ano,
they're 15,
nasa hotel.
16 years old. I'm just 9 years
Ako,
old.
last ko, airport.
And the
Sa
opportunity
hotel,
I
isa ka lang.
fought for it
Isa ka.
Ate,
the
isang
whole
ate
time.
lang.
I had the showbiz now.
Tapos,
3 years
hindi
ago.
pa nakapagtawag. Yun na, yung isang wave sa
Then I had the
airport.
showbiz.
Yun na talaga yung
I never had that. I
Tapos may
fought
1
my
week
whole
stay.
life
Tapos,
for this kind of opportunity I have now. Diba? So it's not na, ganyan.
hindi talaga.
Hindi, lahat
Grabe
ng-
haba pa ng buhok mo
Hard yung
nun.
pamilya ko.
Sweat.
Oo. No, and ginawa ko pa sa
Diba, kick off, curly, tapos mahaba.
Tapos,
Na layered.
kinat ni Ate Ses.
Ano pa sa akin?
Oo, naalala ko yung mukha. Tapos may bangs.
Wala akong bangs.
Parang nakaganon yung, basta may nakaganon. Tapos mahaba na curly.
Pero nag-kick off nakatali ka, di ba?
Bakit never?
Yung pinaka-favorite ko na hairstyle na gano'n. Ngayon, pangit na siya kasi may bangs. Tapos may ikli.
Ganyan yun na, parang nakaganon.
Oo eh.
Sobrang flat na flat.
May ganon.
Kuya, investment.
Kahit si Kuya.
Ate Aina talaga ako naalala ko.
Nakakatakot siya, no? Nung una ko siya nakita, parang...
Ako din.
Pero yung pagiging matara niya, sobrang nakakatawa pala. No?
Bedmate ko, sabi ko, hala, katabi ko yung nakakatakot. Ganyan. Okay lang, sige. Sige na nagkakilala na. Okay naman, nakakatawa.
This is a huge opportunity. Lalo para sa kanila. Gusto nila maging artista, they are already. And they don't know. Gets the point? The
Dahil
opportunity
ito.
that came to their life so early. Sa buhay nila, so early. 15, 16.
Stress. Tayo lahat.
Ako, I had that 3 years ago.
Yung mga
22. Sa'yo. Diba? So imagine, so kaya minsan it's like if you think about it na the way you have no idea when I left Brazil, we have no idea.
Paano ako magkaroon ng idea if hindi mo naman sinishare?
Imagine Loisa go to a country
With
na-
no friends.
hindi lang wahe niya. Kahit English, hindi. Imagine she goes to not
Nung ano,
teenage yet,
nung
but
15 ka.
she goes to Argentina. That everybody speaks Spanish there. Siya lang ng Tagalog. Siya lang ng maybe half English.
Hirap.
Siya lang by herself.
Ano yan?
And then now you think about it.
Wala example lang.
And sa umpisa, syempre, I had like, what, $400 with me, and that's nothing. That's nothing. So you have to live with the money that the agency will borrow to you. that you pay with them, the extra, the jobs and everything. But that's called pocket money.
Pocket money.
Yeah, pocket money. Imagine sa umpisa, you don't know the country, you're 15 years old and you have to go by yourself, taking buses with a map on your hand, and you have to learn the language, you have to learn everything by yourself. Every country you go, you have to learn everything by yourself.
Paano mo ginawa?
Yun. Walking under the sun, in the streets
Pero
with a
yung
map.
first language mo is Portuguese. Yung
Pumunta
Spanish.
ako sa Singapore, puro English there.
Paano? Paano ka
Kaya, nahirapan ako.
Paano ka
I learned English in 1 month and a half.
Nung sinabi niya yun,
school?
School very bad in Brazil. And then, trying. Yun. And then, after Singapore, went to Thailand. Nobody speaks English. For what my English was for.
Oh, grabe.
Diba, Singapore. So, umpisa ulit.
Anong dialect nila?
Thai.
Iba din.
tapos yung naalala
Diba, lahat
Grabe
Thai.
ah.
So, talagang you start again from the beginning. And you don't know anybody. Kasi, all your friends are in Singapore. Pero when you go to a different country, boom, wala na. Diba? So, yung ginawa natin dito, na, umalis si Fif, umiyak lahat. I passed that for my whole life.
Grabe.
I guess. It's nothing. I passed that for my whole life. Imagine you seeing your family, your mother and everything once a year, maybe.
Or kahit once every 2 years.
Yep.
Diba? 3 years.
Not every 3 years, because I always did everything to see my family. Because I did everything for them, diba? So maximum that would be 1.5, 2 years. And then I would try to go back for 1 to 2 weeks and go back again.
Grabe, hirap.
So imagine ikaw, you have to leave your family and then you only see them 1 week. You have 1 week with your mom, 2 weeks, and you have to leave.
may babaong laundry na dito.
And then you have to fight.
Parang almost
Kaya-
half of your life. Ikaw lang.
Oh, battle.
Parang nabasa.
Diba? So yun. Mahirap. So, yun na sa tingin ko na, syempre,
What if example, nasa Singapore ka or Thailand or kahit saan country tapos wala ka pang work? Saan ka kumukuha ng pocket money mo? Food?
kaya from the agency, they would give me it's very, like, example, di ba, how much you spend in a week here, you can survive with 2,000 pesos. No? Yun, they would give me 1,000, maybe. Ganon. Gets
So, budget.
1,500, maybe 2,000 per week. Example lang. Tapos you have to take taxi, go to all the castings. Imagine you have like 5 castings a day, so you have to spend like 500. Imagine that the casting is in Quezon City, you have to take taxi, go and come back to your house. And then Pasig, then Mandaluyong. Ba? So you spend a lot of money with that. So in the end, the money that it's with you to buy food and everything is short. And still, I try to save it. Pa.
Tapos may rent? Nag-rent ka or
Yeah,
provided?
yung rent provided, pero you pay with your jobs. Deduct. Example,
okay.
one job, if I do one job, 40% agency commission. So from all the
40?
jobs,
Bakit 40?
40, some agencies 50.
Grabe,
Imagine,
Daya.
kaya,
Dito, 70-30
imagine,
lang, diba?
look, for you to make money out of that, imagine if it's 50%, 40%, some agencies, diba? Example, okay, 3,000 pesos, 50% is 1,500. So 1,500 sa akin. Yung 1,500 sa akin, I have to pay my apartment, I have to pay my pocket money that they borrow to me and everything. So in the end, if you don't work well, you don't make money.
Grabe,
Yes.
hirap.
Hindi siya stable. Gets modeling. Sometimes maybe there's a big job. Sometimes there's nothing. So yung big job na you think you made money, that money that you saved, you have to spend it with yourself kasi maybe you didn't have work or you have to save it. Kasi, di ba?
Tapos grabe pa yung competition sa modeling, di ba? Sobrang dami.
Lalo sa international. Kasi international, di ba? You have models from all over the world trying to get one job, two jobs. Pag may casting, may mga 30, 40 models waiting. Get it?
Grabe.
Mahirap
Dito pa nga lang
talaga.
mahirap eh.
Oo, kasi it's nothing. Opportunity to in your hands like that. Yes? So, kaya, sa tingin ko, hindi siya, if you think about, doon na nagtagumpay si Daniel or something, that hurts me kasi alam ko yung ginawa ko. Gets? And the showbiz just appeared to me 3 years ago. So it's not
Siyempre,
like...
hindi nila nalalaman, hindi nila naiintindihan kasi di mo sinasabi.
Kaya, it's okay. If they think that way, go. But I don't like, lalo sa mga problemas, gusto ko maging positive eh, and hindi yung kawawa ko.
Pero minsan kailangan mo yan i-share.
Hindi naman. Gusto ko maging positive all the way. Always. God's the one taking care of me. I think I have kulangot again.
Dami.
Yung peg ng Who's Dating the Gangster, di ba?
Ganun yung buhok. Paano si Kada niya?
Tatay.
Umiyak.
Wala.
Umiyak.
Oops.
Ha? Hindi.
Umiyak siya, no? Umiyak?
Hindi. Ewan ko sa kanya, tanongin niyo siya.
Nag-hello?
Ha?
Ano?
May naiwan sa kaldero.
Grabe, Philip. Nood tayo Who's Dating the Gangster. Mananood ako.
Sobrang mainstream nun. Pero 2007 pa pala siya na-publish sa TV. Pero sumikat siya sa Wattpad.
Sa Wattpad ako nagbasa.
Binigyan ako ng Summit Media nung parang buong copy ng
Ako
lahat.
hindi, ganyan pala sa kanya. Parang nasa Microsoft, parang gano'n. Sa akin, nasa parang Microsoft. Something.
Yung Word Keme.
Mm-mm.
Nagulat ako, pinuntalan ako. As in lahat ng Wattpad na books. Yung She's Dating.
Books talaga or
Books talaga.
libro talaga.
Bibili sa National.
Joshua or Nolo, I don't. I was like maybe 5 years older than them already. I had to lie na 23 ako.
Oo?
Nung 16 ako, I had to lie na 23 ako sa lahat ng castings.
Bakit?
Kasi para sa mga lalaki, modeling, they start older. And so I had to act as
A 23-year-old.
more mature guy. Gets? So, kahit sa umpisa, like, super mature. You see so much bad stuff around you. Drugs and everything. People, a lot of wasted, terrible people. People stealing, people doing so much stuff. Good thing na talagang you have to keep your mind na set na ito yung focus ko, ito yung gusto ko gawin. Yung objective ko para sa pamilya ko. Yes?
Na-try mo?
Never. Not even a cigarette. Not even a cigarette. Kaya, mahirap kasi you see so many people like forcing, go. Don't. I would even get super mad. Don't even, yes. So it happens in...
Grabe. Meaning, si God kasama mo since then. Grabe. Ginaid ka niya.
Nung umpisa talaga sa buong pamilya ko.
Ano?
God.
Iba-iba. Minsan binabasa
Diba?
ko. Tungkol kila Janela, ganyan. Or
Maganda yung experience, super. I'll never regret it kasi there's nothing that will make me regret that kasi alam ko best experience ever. Not everybody can have that opportunity na I had kahit yung pinakamahirap.
Pinakamasakit.
Pinakamasakit, pinakamahirap, pero that's how you learn eh. Diba? Kaya, nung sinabi ni Luisa na, hindi, kasi mas matanda kayo, hindi ko marunong ganun. I was like, whoa.
So ikaw, you were 15, 16.
Whoa. Sabi ko, no. No, don't say that. Nope. Not right. Yes, kaya sinabi ko, no. I don't agree. Yes, because for me it's like, right, wait
Mali,
there.
mali.
Come on, don't, that's not a good excuse. That's not. Kaya talagang, di ba? Pero sobrang mahirap. Maganda yung experience, something na I would give up everything to do it again. I mean, right now, no, because my school and everything, yes, I would again.
Ano gusto mo? Med ulit? Med? Continue mo?
No, now I'm gonna pursue something different.
Ano?
Iba yung
Business?
isip ko. Oo, iba yung isip ko, Vicky. It's different kasi syempre, when you study and everything, it's always important, diba? Pero, you live in a rule in society na ito, ganon. You only have a straight line to follow. Yes. The opportunity I had, parang my line is here, and I had this
Marami.
going as options. Yes. First with contacts. Second with, everything na surrounding. Lalo dito sa showbiz, after here you see the opportunities you have. Kahit hindi tayo manalo dito or whatever, the opportunities you have here, you keep it for the rest of your life. For business, for everything. Thinking maturely, not just thinking, one price. Money come and go eh.
Oo.
You have to think na, anong gagawin ko na with this or something. Yes? Kaya para sa akin, talagang I want something stable and I don't have it yet.
Ano dream mo?
My dream is to bring my family here first. And I'm saving for that. Sobrang hirap kasi I still have to wait for my dad to retire. He's still working for my family. My mom doesn't work. Housewife siya. So I still pay for my brother's studies, school. So for me, I do my best to have him have a good school. Diba? And then once my dad retires, then I'll try to bring them here. Then I have to save it muna. Kasi sobrang mahal eh.
How old na dad mo? 56?
56.
So yung retirement, mga 60, di ba?
56 to 59. Hindi ko alam. I don't know this kind of stuff. Kaya nung pumasok ako dun, patay. Sinabi ko patay. Hindi ko magaling sa mga ganun eh. Sa memorizing dates. Lahat. Hindi. My sister, my mom laughs at me. Minsan my mom ko, it's my birthday.
Oo, nakalimutan mo na.
Oo, kasi talagang I'm bad on that. I'm bad. Kaya,
Yung sa akin na sa drawer ko, may Vicky na pangalan.
hindi ko alam ba.
Thank you, Joshua.
Tapos,
Sayang.
Yun. May kinakwento ka.
Ito itago yun.
Ako din.
Tapos,
Yun. First time ko lumabas.
ako sa labas, makakalabas lang ako kapag may milagro.
Diba? Parang,
Hindi.
ganun yung feeling
Pero
eh.
ikaw pinapayagan ka lumabas.
Hindi.
Ako hindi. Kulong na kulong.
Hindi ako. Tapos
kapag aalis ako, tapos, para siyang audition ng PBB.
magpapaalam sa papa. Kunwari, okay na sa papa. Yes, okay na kay papa. That means, okay na
May
lahat.
chance, oo.
Hindi, okay na lahat kasi si papa na. Pero magtatanong pa yung mga ate ko, kapatid ko, kahit bunso, saan ka? Tapos yung kuya ko, oy, may kasama ka na naman ha. Sino yan? Parang ganon.
Tapos kapag gumanon, ganyan din sa akin.
Parang, hindi na lang ako lalabas. Kaya minsan, nawawala na ako ng gana lumabas. Kasi, nakakapagod magpaalam. Parang, dito na lang ako.
Tapos parang alam mo naman konting sagot. Parang alam ko na, hindi ako papayagan.
Kunwari may mga party, tapos, isama ka. Sasabihin ko na hindi ako papayagan, pero hindi pa ako nagpaalam. Pero alam ko naman hindi ako papayagan. Eh, wala lang.
Dalawang months lang nangyari na naging independent ako sa decision ko about sa labas. Yung first, yung kay Khalil nga na sabi ko, Ma, punta po ako kasi po, explain ko talaga na
Mahal eh.
Malay mo, lapit na. After nito,
One
maraming
ticket, it's
opportunity.
120,000.
One way?
No,
One way?
Two ways, pero 120,000
Mahal.
for one person.
Mahal.
So now you imagine the price that we have here is for the ticket, and maybe for their stay for what, few months, kasi my rent, my diba?
Bahay naman kayo.
Ha?
May bahay ka, di ba?
Hindi, I rent.
Nag-rent ka?
No, wala akong bahay. Ano ba?
Akala ko may bahay.
It's my sister, kasi she is married to my brother-in-law, diba? Then sila, meron bahay. Ako, wala.
I thought you were living with your sister.
I live with them, pero
nag-rent ka?
Yes. Siyempre, I help with so many stuff, diba? Ayoko yung feeling na I am living as a favor. Gets mo?
Okay.
Gets? Pangit. Pangit.
Gets.
It's
Kasi
like
may
using,
family na
no?
siya eh.
Siyempre, pangit. Diba?
Intindihan ko.
So, yun.
Malay
Imagine,
mo, after maraming
1
opportunities.
million. Okay, we think, 1 million, pero 1 million can go like that.
Malit lang yan eh. Bilis lang.
Lalo para sa akin, with the things that I have to pay and everything.
Kulang. Kulang.
kapag mahihirap,
Vicky.
kasi alternate yan eh, mahihirap yung sabi. Kasi hindi na mahirap. Kapag first period ka,
Kulang.
mahihirap. Kapag monthly, alternate ka naman.
For my dreams, kulang.
Siyempre.
Yun, kapag
And I have to still, di ba, I have to fix my, ano yung,
tapos period ka, first monthly, basta first
ginawa ko sa mga cancer patients.
Foundation.
Yes, I have to fix pa. And I have to save money for that.
Alam mo, dati, meron kami schoolmate na may cancer. Tapos lahat ng yung mga friends niya parang fundraising. Alam mo yung mga ballers na bracelet. Nakalagay, I Cancer 5. Ganda. I Cancer 5. Ganda.
Yun na yung nilab. That's a dollar of stuff. And then, di ba, nag-give up ako. So, kahit yung football ko, or this, give up ako yung team. So, wala akong team. Wala akong salary doon. Oo, wala. Wala na. So, then when I go back, I have to try
Again.
to test. Make a test.
Anong
To
test?
see if I can pass in the team. Kasi wala na. Di ba? I left.
Bago ka pumasok sa PBB, may team ka.
Yes. Professional.
Oh.
And then I left. I left for this. I left. I gave up. So, daming
Give up.
stuff. Kahit yung World Cup na dream ko talaga na every 30 years.
Oo, may
next
ticket ka na.
Gets? Daming
pang-choir talaga.
Sige lang, babalik yun. Ilang folds.
in Jesus' name.
Tapos ginagawa ko every Sunday.
Pero I hate that feeling na, I want to feel like, gusto ko positive. Lahat positive. Siyempre, we are all perfect here. Perfect. Blessing ng God na you can breathe, you can see, di ba? That's perfection. That's perfection. You can hear. Diba? You can walk. You don't have anything like that. You know because your mom, diba? And your brother, diba? So at least you have that feeling that thank you Lord na every day you wake up and you don't have that kind of stuff. You know already the feeling. I've seen it so much. You know? So at least, you know, that's why I like to maintain it happy, positive. Kasi if we all keep saying just, diba? Positive. Kasi blessings yan. Diba? Blessings sa'yo na ito, opportunity also para sa'yo. Diba? After here, Vicky. Yun ang sinabi ko kay Joshua, sinabi ko kay Manolo. After here, lahat, lalo kayo na, kasi ako nasa showbiz, si Jay nasa showbiz na, pero lahat kayo opportunities na you don't have it all the time. You have it now. So kahit sinabi mo na ayaw mo maging celebrity, think again. Think again. Kasi opportunity like that, you don't have it all the time. And pag invest mo sa opportunity na yan, pag magaling ka din sa opportunity na yan, yung result comes out amazing. Amazing. Yes, you have that. Yes, you have that on your hand. Sinabi ko kay Manolo na the same. I'm gonna tell you na ito, you have a plate of meat. You wanna give to the dogs? Or you wanna eat? You get it? The opportunity is here in your hands. You're just gonna throw it away?
Or grab it.
Or grab it. Get it? If you say, no, ayaw ko maging artista. Pero lahat dito ang workshop. If you think about it, why would they give a weekly task na acting? Siyempre, for them, it's amazing to have young people, kaya they choose teens edition. Investment din sa teens. Kasi pag maging matalented sila, di ba? Everything. And then, pag mas mature sila, nasa showbiz na, boom. You get it? Kahit para sa network is maganda. Kaya ito yung opportunity na,
Ito na.
diba? Eh, nakita yung mga tao sa labas na, you know, totoo tao na. So, it's a big step eh. It's a big step sa buhay mo.
Sana.
Think about it again. Kung kahit ayaw mo, think about it, you know. Give it a try. Kasi,
open naman ako mag-try.
give it a try. Kasi kung wala dito, anong gagawin mo? Anong gagawin mo? Anong plano mo?
Hindi ko alam pa.
Never thought of anything. 22 ka na. Never thought of anything.
Flight
Vicky.
attendant. Gusto ko
Never thought of
mag-travel.
anything.
Gusto ko maging flight attendant dati.
Tapos,
Dapat nung January, Feb, mag-apply ako. International flight attendant. Pero, dumating to. Mas pinili ko to.
siyempre. Pero yun,
Pero gusto ko may business. Ka-business.
yeah, think about it. You have to think about it na. Diba? Ako, kahit when I was 17, 18 years old, alam mo, I tried everything.
Like,
I tried even stock market.
nag-invest ka?
Dati. I lost, pero
nangyari?
at least you
Wala.
tried. I lost.
Parang gamble din yun eh.
Terrible. Terrible. Experience.
Oo.
You know, something you never know if you don't try it. I won't regret. Maybe
Oo.
I did.
Siyempre,
I
you
did
did.
a lot. 2 years ago, yes, I did. Pero yun, it's something that you learn. It's different kind of areas na you're exploring. It's not just like, I want biology.
Ikaw, ganun.
You trying to work different people, different places. Diba?
Life.
Before, sa pamilya ko, syempre my parents, my brother, they would support me all the way. Pero my titos, my titas, my lola, they would say, don't go. Why are you leaving us? It's not gonna work. You cannot survive outside. You know, they would just put negative words on top of everything. Na I would think right now na yun.
What if you listen to them?
Kaya,
diba?
Ngayon, I go back and I look at everything na I left behind and I smile, you know, and I prove them wrong na ito, kinaya ko to, you know, by myself. You know, that's the most amazing
achievement, fulfillment.
Kaya if you see, I have discipline in everything I do. Like, sa workouts, sa katawan, sa lahat. I have discipline. Discipline is so important and I learn with the time. Since I left. You have to learn. It's something, it's there. Kaya yung mga malinis or everything. Imagine if you're living with different people all the time na people steal your stuff. People, lalo sa pagkain. Imagine you live different people all the time sa bahay mo. You have maybe a bed for you or you have to share your room sometimes. Sa modern world, and then you have one ref. You have these people entering the house that you don't even know, because they can invite their friends or whatever. Gulo, pangit. Sobrang pangit. Diba? So, some people steal your stuff, your food na you save with that money that you had, and then some save you like, and then you see people fighting. You see this and that. Imagine, magulo talaga. Kaya dito, with the headset. So when I went there, I was like, oh, okay, nice. You bought it, nice. Congrats, and everything, diba? And then, I was, syempre, matalino ako.
Alam mo,
Matalino ako kasi yung first thing na napansin ko, walang charger. How can you buy something na iPod, walang
without a charger?
Alam mo yung ginawa niya? Kinuha niya ng iPod ko and the other stuff. She sold sa mall. It's called MBK sa Bangkok. She sold my iPod and she changed it to another one. The same. So stupid, man. And then, yun, she had another iPod. Same. Without the charger. And then, syempre, matalino ako. I'll never, gano'n, di ba? Sinabi ko, wow, nice. You got, nice. I lost one iPod last week. And she's like, oh, really? Oh my God, I'm so sorry to hear that. Gano'n. Best friend ng girlfriend ko, and close sa akin din. I'm so sorry to hear that. In Portuguese. Yeah, I'm so sorry to hear that. Brazilian siya.
Ano?
Mura lang ba yung ticket sa Bacolod?
Mahal.
And then sinabi niya, I'm so sorry to hear that. Ganon. Sabi ko, oh, where did you buy that? Because I think I have to try to buy another one. You know? She said, I bought in MBK and everything. There is cheaper there and everything. Oh, nice. But how come there's no charger? Then I start asking a few questions like that. Na parang, how come? How come there's no charger? And she started like, you know, when you don't expect that question, and then and then when I asked that question, I asked some questions before. But when I asked, how come there's no charger? She's like, she could answer, and then she started crying. Boom. Then I realized, ooh.
Huli.
Pero I was never that type na magalit or something. I felt so kawawa for her. By that time, I was like, wow, how can you do that to me? alam mo,
Tamang mood lang.
best friend mo in girlfriend ko,
Boyfriend
you're
ng-
super close to me. I see you almost every day. And you steal it.
Pero ako,
Trapdoor.
Yeah, you
pag
steal
mga
it
ganun
from me.
pupuntahan, pag mga ganun pupuntahan,
Sinabi ko, my goodness, talagang you don't have to apologize or anything like that. You can keep it. Sinabi ko, you can keep it. Sa'yo yan. And then she started crying more and more, diba? Sabi ko, don't worry. I'm not gonna tell any of your friends, not of my friends, so nobody knows kasi pangit, diba? Pag all of our friends, they know that she stole it from me. Sinabi ko, no, you can keep it. It's yours. You know, it's yours. You can keep it. Kasi, and don't worry kasi I'm not gonna tell anybody about it.
Yung mga tatay-tatay ng
Kasi
barkada namin.
it's not good. And pero you don't have to do that. And then I started talking about God to her, and she's crying. And I said, you don't have to do that, you know, because if you ask anybody, if you can ask me for money, or I'll give it to you. Just don't steal it. Don't do it again, you know, because this is a lesson. Sinabi ko, this is a lesson in your life na
Pero yung mga tatay,
for you not to do it again, you know. It's God here maybe using me
kilala siya sa bawat.
to
Make
give
her
it to you
realize.
and to realize na, you know, people can change in yung attitude mo. Maybe you can change.
Malaki.
And I gave money to her. My money, I gave it to her. And I said, you go to China, alam ko you needed more than me. So go, this is for you.
Si Jason.
It's your iPod. And don't worry, I'm not gonna tell anybody. And dun, sobrang, imagine, best friend ng girlfriend ko dun.
Lapit na kami doon.
And the worst na nangyari talaga, kasi I never spoke to anybody about that. Pero the day I saw the same girl in Hong Kong, same girl, doing drugs, getting super wasted, and going around, you know, living it's kind of prostitution. I would call that a prostitution. Like, I saw it and I was like, you don't deserve it because you passed for one lesson and you still chose to live wrong. So it's amazing how some people are and what you have to pass. Grabe.
Pero feeling ko lalo na sa
Vicky, I have no
modeling.
idea. I have no idea. That few stores like, wow.
Go pa more.
No.
Pero hindi namin sinasadya. Parang, bakit? Late na kami sa festival. Parang, yung date lang.
I have seen something, I think all of you guys never experienced that. I've seen a friend of mine being, how do you call that? Demon inside her, like how possessed.
Possession.
I've seen it. It's so scary and terrible. So scary.
What happened?
In Thailand.
Tapos, girl?
Yeah, my friend, Brazilian siya din. I don't know even if she's watching all this.
Hindi niya maintindihan.
Yeah, pero dun, sobrang nakakatakot. Kasi dun, I used to live in this house with mga 5 people. Big apartment sa Thailand. Renting with 5 more people. And 1 Spanish, 1 from the States, and then 3 Brazilians. 2 girls Brazilians, 1 guy Brazilian. And then and always our friends go in our house and visit and everything. And then my friend was talking to me. She was really scared. She would call us and she's like, Nicole, she's really weird. She's really acting so strange every night. She would wake up and contorting her body and everything, and like biglang her bosses become something else and everything. And we're like, no, don't worry about it. Come on, I think maybe she's just having problems or something. You come here, just come here. both of them go to their house. And then Vicky have no idea, seriously, when they arrive, my friends are crying. And then she start talking to the other people, crying. And this girl, yung iba, pumasok siya sa bahay. And nung umalis ako, bumukas ako sa kwarto ko. Super. Goosebumps. I would say bad word now. You know? Pero, imagine, she's, example, seryoso. Example, may ito, kitchen, di ba? May isang daan, parang corridor, na ito yung door ng kitchen. So, I don't know how to explain. Like, there's a kitchen. There's only one door to go to the sala, and then there are the other rooms. So on this door, this girl, she had something. She was just waiting the door like this. Ganito siya. Ako, wala lang, di ba? Para sa akin, that time, don't even believe on... Wala lang.
Tapos,
you have no idea.
Gusto ko.
You have no idea. It's so freaky, scary.
Alam mo yan?
When I passed in front of her, she's like, girl, she hold my arm. Seryoso.
Tapos.
She's scratching me. I was like, no, Nicole. Wait. What are you doing? Ganun, diba? Our boss is like
Lalaki.
totally different. Totally like
Lalaki.
husky. Like, what? I would say bad words again. What is wrong with you? Something like that. But I said really many bad words that time. A lot. I got so freaking scared. Super freaking scared. I saw it in front of me. She was super possessed. Her eyes would turn and she's like that and super. There was this other girl that she used to do parang I would call it kind of a black magic because she would always have these candles and all the stuff all over her bed and all the stuff. Kaya, imagine, you live with so many different people na you have no idea yung culture nila and everything. Kaya, maybe there was even that brought these things, di ba? And imagine grabe, sa kaibigan ko, she's super mabait. She's super mabait. Imagine, a girl na, wala lang.
Ang mga big lights pakilagay na sa storage room. Ngayon na.
Imagine, like, transformation nakita ko sa harap ko. God, that was the scariest thing ever in my life.
Tapos after nun, naging okay siya?
After nun, tapos parang dalawang sides. Biglang,
Tumatakas siya,
ganun.
inacting niya
Process
siya.
and biglang, then she fall. Ganun parang yung prince na she had something.
Or yung spirit, tapos
Yeah. Super scary.
Yung mga
Super scary.
Or gala.
pero alam niya.
Hindi ko alam. If my other friend said to her, hindi.
Ngayon, kasi
Ay, hindi ko alam.
yung bago pumasok. Dude, lalabas ako.
Hindi ko alam.
Saan ka pupunta?
Maybe even pwede din
City, ganyan, McDonald's.
sa isip ko, maybe,
Sumasama mo.
okay, maybe because maybe she does
Ano sila?
cocaine or something.
Kasi ganito may pangalan niya
Maybe,
si Mama.
maybe an effect of that.
Tapos sabihin mo,
Pero hindi.
sige,
Totoong
papuntahin mo sila dito sa
possession. I saw it. Her voice changed it so bad, so scary that gives me goosebumps until today. 9 years, 8 years ago. Imagine. I couldn't sleep. There was times na
Nakatakot.
I would sleep. Biglang they come back from party or everything.
Takot ka na.
No, there was a girl that invaded my room. Yeah, coming to... Wow! Get out! Oh, ganun. Like, so
Bakit
many...
ganon sila?
Yeah, it's... Magulo, it's terrible. The experience I had, like, a lot of crazy stuff. Like,
Time pa na birthday na.
What if meron dito?
yeah. Oh,
Nakabarkada ko sobrang gabi na.
Grabe naman.
Papahandi ka sa stars.
a lot. Grabe, you have no idea. I have so many stories. There were stories na minsan we would do barbecue. And then many
Brazil.
times this happens sa Thailand na. They love to steal there with bicycle, with the motorbike. You got two guys, the motorbike. Lalo sa girls, you walk in the bags.
Snatch.
They just go and pull you. Like my girlfriend twice, they pull her and she tried to hold the bag and then the guy would go with the pistol like this.
Ikaw?
No, the guy.
Ah.
The guy's stealing. Go with the pistol like that. If she doesn't let it go,
Patay.
and then her knees, her body would be all scratched. Crying, and then she lost all the stuff. A lot of
Simula nung birthday ko,
crazy stuff.
sila na pupunta sa bahay. Pumunta doon yung kain pati sa bahay namin. Tapos,
Na in the end, it's good to lessons.
Kasi fans na yun. Nabili mga fans.
Diba I said about the train na bumili ako ng ticket tapos mali sila tapos gano'n. The other one, the candy, the
Ikaw yung candy.
yung gummy bears.
Oo.
Yung malis ako tapos biglang close. Yun, something I never forget that too. Yung blood, yung open ng kamay ng yung kaibigan ko sa France. That he almost died dahil sa glass.
Glass.
Na open yung kamay niya.
Hindi ko alam yun.
We were in France, Paris. Then backpacking also kasi I had work sa Holland.
Sa bahay, ganyan.
And dun sa Paris, we were in front of the Eiffel Tower just having fun. And this guy that I met there, he was there in a prison there
Tapos, pagbalik ko,
for a few years because he tried to bring ecstasy to the other country.
pagbalik ko, pumunta, tapos,
And yun. And then he was kaibigan of my friends, so we were all together. And then he started playing jokes, no? Jokes, yeah. And then biglang he wanted to do jiu-jitsu and he just jumped in my back. Like really like that, yeah. So yun, biglang the two of us, I didn't tell you that.
Hindi.
Biglang the two of us yun, just on the floor, in the grass there, kasi tower, and all grass. So, in the grass, parang picnic, pero having fun. And biglang, so much blood all over my body. Dami dugo dito. So, I was like, oh, wait, kasi adrenaline, di ba? We were all like trying to get each other, ganon. Tapos he just cut my neck, and then I just turned him, and boom, and then we tired, di ba? So much blood. And I was like, oh, where is it? At kala ko sa akin. Diba? Kasi adrenaline, my heart is like that. And looking, and he's looking, he cannot find it. Also, he's like, where is it? And we were, both of us, we had so much blood that spit like that. It's like a glass of cup. Like that. I was like, oh, stop. Biglang, he's looking at himself, I'm looking at myself. Biglang when he does this, when I look, my God, Digi,
May ano.
dito yung skin sa kamay mo. sobrang malipis. Malipis siya, di ba? Yung cut sa kamay niya, from here to here. Deep. Cut all the ligaments. That you can see all the bones and all the white stuff open. When he did like this, his skin from here to did this. It's like roll it. Because parang sobrang malipis siya when you force it and it goes like this. Oh man, my blood went. When I saw that in France, I have no idea anong gagawin ko, di ba? Biglang, boom, and then the blood. Kasi all the veins.
Bakit ano nangyari?
All the veins. Piece of glass.
Sa
Stick
grass.
sa grass. When I turned he turned with his hand like this. So the glass cut. And then, yun, nung nakita ko, I was like, oh, bro. I would, bad words again. So much blood. So, first thing I would think that time was, we had to stop the blood. Di ba? Kasi dito, sobrang dangerous. If you cut here, wala na.
Pulse.
You can die very fast. Very fast. Then sabi ko, wow, how am I going to stop the blood? I have no idea. Hindi ako doctor, di ba? Tanggalin ko yung short. Wrap. Tight. Lift your arm. Then the shirt like full of blood. And then he got pale so fast, super pale. Like you. I was like, no. And screaming because I didn't know what to do. So, kinuha ko siya. And start running.
Lalaki.
Oo, lalaki siya. Kinuha ko siya. Let's go. French, they don't like to speak English.
Ano ginawa mo?
My friend is dying. You have no idea the desperation that gets you to that point na you need to do something. Otherwise, he'll die. He'll die. Help. Good thing one car stopped and put him inside. Yung nanay ko, hindi niya alam yung mga story na ganyan. Baka mamatay siya, in Jesus' name. Nope. And then, yun tapos biglang pumasok siya sa kotse. Diba? We went to the hospital and everything. Grabe. The whole day, hospital, and he's screaming with pain. We had to wait. Grabe. Public hospitals in France. Terrible there. Grabe. So, this was terrible experience too.
Grabe.
There was a time in Thailand, playing football there. Tapos, we had the Brazilian team, and then there was so many Thai people there. Pero street people. Talagang street people. So we were playing football there. Siyempre, mabait sila lahat sa Thailand. We thinking na, siyempre, mabait sila. Not everybody knows how to play football. Diba? Not all the Brazilians know how to play football. So, yung kaibigan ko, siyempre, we're playing.
Same friend or different na?
Different. Iba yun. Then, yun, we're playing. Nalaro kami. Tapos, biglang, the other team player hit my friend. And then, nothing happens, and then he hits him back, and then they start fighting. Here comes the guy with gets a knife. Yeah, a Thai guy. Like, grab him and fight. so many fights. Drinking. Lalo sa, even in Hong Kong, there was a fight in Hong Kong.
Lagi na lang may fight.
Kasi talagang mga baliw eh. And syempre, I'm there to protect, di ba? Friends. You see your friend fighting there. Ano gagawin mo? Di ba? Ano gagawin mo? Let him die? Die? Diba? So, terrible. Night, and you have to get everybody to school, run. There was times in Hong Kong there was a fight. Police arrived. I had to be like this.
Go!
Yeah. Because protecting my friends. My other friend also Brazilian met Hong Kong. Sinabi ko, these Indian guys here, they not so they play dirty. You know? Yeah, during that time. And yun, I played with them so many times with the guys, and I said, just come down, let's just play your game, and just relax lang. Just don't try not to make fouls and everything. Kasi even if it's part of the game, let's just have fun. And this Brazilian guy that I met there for the one day lang comes. The guy hit him. He falls on the ground. When he stands up, look at the Indian. You know anong gawin niya? He stands up, look at the Indian. Ano? Poof!
Ulo niya?
Sa ulo ng Indian, boom, baksak. There was a Monday. In a Monday in Hong Kong, so many Pakistan, Indian people there that time. Grabe. Imagine mga 80 against 7.
80?
80.
Tapos 7 kayo?
70 against 7. Ganun.
Kayo ang 7?
Imagine. Kaya we were very, very, very lucky na dumating yung police. Kasi that time, grabe. I couldn't do anything kasi kilala ko sila, pero boom, they wanted to kill my friend. Diba, the guy I just met. Tapos biglang di ako kami. Do you know who I am? Took their shirt off. Do you know who I am? Parang bomb man. You know, like really scary talaga. I was like, oh, go back, don't punch. I was like, don't give the first punch, don't give the first punch. We were like going back. 7 of us, like, and they're coming. Grabe. We were so lucky na this day, one chai yan in Hong Kong, so big space, diba? Then we were so lucky na there was one police guy walking a bicycle, and then he saw it. Yung gulo. And he right away
Nag-report.
No, he right away ran, the police guy with a gun already. Pero he was so scared. The police guy was so scared. More than us. Kasi nung nakita ni Lara,
17.
oh, ang dami. Diba? He just pointed the gun up. Stop! In Chinese, and we didn't understand anything. And then the guys, the opposite team, they would speak Chinese and everything. And then they start talking to each other, and we were like, no, we didn't do anything. Then boom, pumasok dalawang kotse ng police na malaki. Good thing sa Hong Kong, they're very organized kasi may camera sa lahat. Diba? Kahit sa mga feuds nila, may camera din. So safe. So pumasok sila and saved us. Oh, hands up, and on the wall. Ganun. Oh, super.
Grabe Grabe experience mo. Pero na-experience mo na mapunta sa jail, di ba?
No, never. Grabe naman. Never. With my girlfriend, I would protect her a lot sa clubs. There was a lot of times na we go to club and then the guy would go and oh man, I cannot take that.
Siyempre naman.
I cannot take that.
Di yan pwede.
Hindi pwede. Pero yun, sana ba sa hotel the stories?
And ano pa? Yung kwento mo sa Boracay, yung hinawakan mo.
Superman flying hug.
Grabe.
Protection. Pero I never start
Fight.
anything like that. I hate that. I hate that. It's not for me. Pero before, syempre, I was, diba, not the same mentality I have today. Na,
Immature pa.
immature din. Yeah, doon ko sa ganyan, yes, very mature. Very mature. And yun, lalo sa football.
Bakit?
Kasi, syempre, football is passion, diba, sa Brazil. And then, we always play
Saan ba nag-start ang football? Brazil?
everywhere. I played. Played na, hindi professional, dito professional.
Pero I mean yung football talaga, saan nag-start? Nag-originate?
Sa Brazil.
Brazil?
Yeah.
Hindi
I
UK?
think so. No, Brazil. Sa tingin ko Brazil. Sa tingin ko. Not sure. Pero sa tingin ko. So many crazy stuff. Crazy experience na. In a way, some of them.
Pero okay
these
yun.
ones,
Di
these
ba
ones are.
matatawa ka na?
Yeah, these ones
Oo.
are nice. Nice. Kasi,
Nice pa to?
Oh.
Paano?
Oh. Dami. So life is not easy.
Hindi talaga.
It's not easy.
Hindi talaga.
Once you have that kind of feeling na, anong gawin ko, yung urgency na, kahit sa Hong Kong mismo, if you walk at night, mga 2 a.m. by yourself, police will stop you.
Bakit?
Security reasons. Nila.
Strict sila.
Lalo sa mga lalaki. Ako, many times, walking the street, just nothing, coming out of the club, going back home, walking. Big car of police stopping all the time and then stop me and then go back at the wall. Ganun talaga. Many times. I went to her apartment. We was there with her friends. Then waiting for her. She arrives crying. Sabi, ano nangyari? And then sabi niya, lalaki is following me and everything. When I was arriving here, sa streets of Hong Kong, he took his pants off and he started doing...
Oh my!
Imagine? Ang napaliw, no?
Tapos, kung may papalondi daw tayo, pwede daw natin ilagay sa storage room. Basta
Oo.
sabay-sabay.
Masaya ka?
Kasi nandun pa yung laundry ko eh.
Okay. Imagine, sa Hong Kong, streets of Hong Kong.
Kasi ako rin pala oras ng gano'n. Hindi ko alam.
Ayan.
Cheffy!